Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to today's journey into the world of Al Hammad Travels and Tourism. Situated in the heart of Libya, Al Hammad has etched its name as a leading travel agency, offering more than just bookings and itineraries. Their mission? To make every journey an unforgettable adventure, a story worth telling. With their commitment to high-quality service, they ensure that every detail is taken care of, leaving you free to immerse yourself in the experience. Whether it's a peaceful retreat or an adrenaline-filled escapade, Al Hammad is dedicated to making your travel dreams a reality. They believe in creating experiences, not just holidays. And with their team of travel experts, Al Hammad crafts journeys that are as unique as you are. So buckle up and get ready to discover how Al Hammad Travels and Tourism can make your travel dreams come true. At Al Hammad Travels and Tourism, it's not just about travel, it's about creating unforgettable experiences. Delving into the services provided by Al Hammad Travels and Tourism, it becomes clear that they are more than just a travel agency. They are your personal concierge, your guide, and your support system throughout your journey. Their services cater to every aspect of travel, ensuring that every trip you take is smooth, enjoyable, and memorable. How do they do it? Let's start with flight arrangements. Al Hammad secures the best deals from a wide array of airlines, ensuring you not only travel comfortably, but also economically. They also arrange accommodations that suit your preferences and budget, from cozy bed and breakfasts to luxury resorts and everything in between. But that's not all. They also organize sightseeing tours, offering you the opportunity to immerse yourself in the culture and beauty of your destination. These tours are not your run-of-the-mill sightseeing excursions. They are carefully curated experiences designed to captivate and inspire. Beyond these basics, Al Hammad offers customized travel itineraries. They understand that every traveler is unique, and so should be every travel experience. With this in mind, they work closely with you to design an itinerary that reflects your interests and fulfills your travel dreams. And, of course, they are there for you round the clock. Their 24/7 customer support service ensures that help is just a phone call away, no matter where you are or what time it is. Al Hammad also offers corporate travel management, handling all travel-related aspects for businesses. From organizing conferences and meetings to arranging business-class flights and accommodations, they take care of every detail, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Luxury travel planning is another feather in their cap. If you're seeking a high-end, bespoke travel experience, Al Hammad's team of experts will craft an itinerary that's as unique as you are, complete with luxury accommodations, private tours, and exclusive experiences. No matter what your travel needs are, Al Hammad Travels and Tourism has got you covered. You might wonder, with so many travel agencies out there, why choose Al Hammad Travels and Tourism? Well, let's delve into the heart of the matter. One of the key strengths of Al Hammad is their dedicated team of professionals. With years of experience under their belt, they have mastered the art of creating unforgettable travel experiences, tailored to your unique tastes and preferences. But their commitment doesn't stop at crafting perfect itineraries. Al Hammad places customer satisfaction at the forefront of their priorities. They understand that the smallest detail can make or break a journey. From the moment you start planning your trip to the time you return home, they ensure a seamless, hassle-free experience. Let's not forget about the competitive pricing. Al Hammad believes that travel should not be a luxury reserved for the few. They strive to deliver premium experiences at affordable prices, making the world more accessible to everyone. And finally, their strong network of travel partners around the world. Whether you're dreaming of the sun-soaked beaches of the Caribbean or the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, Al Hammad's extensive connections make every corner of the globe within your reach. So why choose Al Hammad Travels and Tourism? Because they offer more than just a service. They offer a partnership, a commitment to make your travel dreams come true. With Al Hammad Travels and Tourism, you are not just a client, you are a valued partner in a journey of discovery and adventure. In today's video, we have journeyed through the world of Al Hammad Travels and Tourism. We've explored their exceptional services, from bespoke travel plans to delightful cultural immersions. We've discovered why Al Hammad stands out, with their commitment to creating unforgettable experiences and their deep-rooted love for Libya's rich heritage. This is not just travel, it's a journey of discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you're ready to create unforgettable travel experiences, reach out to Al Hammad Travels and Tourism today. Safe travels, everyone!